Hey everyone, it's Kevin here again for this week's Digital Hack. I hope everyone is having a great week. I know I am. Today I'm just going to answer a question that I get asked all the time, and the question is, how do I get that color on the website? Or how can I get the color from this website that I like onto my website, and I want that exact color? And um, it's crazy the amount of time some people actually try and put into figuring out exactly how to get an exact color from a website for their marketing, for their website, or for whatever. And there's a really easy way to do it. And it's a Chrome extension. So if you have Chrome, or if you're not using Chrome, get on Chrome. You should be using it. It's the best. But anyways, so what it is, it's just this plain simple little extension on Chrome. It's called ColorZilla. Um, and all you have to do is put in ColorZilla into the search bar and go to the second one. It's the web store. And then you just add to Chrome. It'll come up, and it'll actually come up into this top little taskbar, and you'll see a little eyedropper. So I'll show you how it works. So I'm just going to show you a site that I found recently. It's called Raise Your Website. I actually really like it. It's very colorful. It's by a studio called Blend Studio, and basically what it is, it's just a questionnaire to find out how you can improve your website. So if you want to go there and check it out and see if there's some stuff missing in your website, remember to answer honestly, because won't get the right answer if you don't. But anyways, I happen to really like this blue, and I want to use that blue in something. But I want that exact blue. So how do I get it? So I go up into this top right hand corner where I've installed ColorZilla, and I just click on my little eyedropper. And now you're going to see a bunch of different options. In this case, we're just going to go to Page Color Picker Active. And then you're going to have this little crosshairs here coming across. And then you can just go and pick an area where the color is. So the color I want is this blue. And you can see up here, after I hover over something, it changes colors. So I'm going to click on that. And it says copy to clipboard. And what I'm actually getting when it copies to clipboard is the hex code. And what that is it's just a 6-digit HTML reference for websites. But what you can then do, if you need it in RGB or some other kind of color code, is you come back up to that little eyedropper and hit color picker, and then you'll have everything about this color that you can really have. So you have the RGB codes here. There's the HSV stuff, and then if you need a CMYK, you can just take the RGB numbers and go to a CMYK converter on Google, and that'll give you that as well. And then you'll have that exact color, and you'll be able to use it in your marketing. So that's it. It's a really handy tool, especially if you're just browsing websites and you see a color you really like and you want to use it in your own marketing. You can just very simply grab it. And you can actually even go in and see all your history. So for me, if I'm building a website and a client likes a color, for example, I used this color recently in a website. I'm using this one at the moment, and I can actually just go in and grab it anytime I need it very easily and quickly within my browser. Okay, that's it. I hope everyone enjoys their long weekend, and we'll chat to you next week.